excellent trip with my wife Carol and our little dog Cooper. We sure enjoyed Pismo Coast RV campsite. Nice, clean, neat, very friendly people. Nice walks on the beach and into town. Saw the butterflies, a lot of cool stuff happening there. Look at them all.
Can we see them?
Well, the best you're gonna get.
We can't see them.
You know what? We'll have to bring our binoculars tomorrow because we have, I think, a few pairs. I got a pecan cinnamon roll with cream cheese frosting. I'm wondering how good this is gonna be. Look at that. Mmm, heavenly. Sorry you can't have a bite or taste of this. My gosh, we're down to the last few bites and this stuff is amazing. Pismo cinnamon rolls. Oh my goodness. So sorry. So we're on a little bike excursion on our electric bikes, e-bikes, and we don't know where we're going.
We're in Grover Beach right now. We're going to turn around and go towards Avila Beach. Because this is just, 5 minutes from our campsite. I thought we could go further this way, but we'll just check out the other way because we know we want to go to Avila.
So we're at the entrance of where people go off-roading on Pismo Beach, the dunes and whatnot. But the gate is shut because you can see that tide is pretty high, so they aren't allowing anybody else in. There's probably people already in there camping, but they want people to be safe, which is a good thing, and they don't want to pull vehicles out of the ocean, so they're not allowing anybody in. So we continue on with our little doggy Cooper. He loves to ride too. So there it is, Oceano Dunes. Gate is shut. Boy, I'd hate to drive all the way out here and want to go ATCing or off-roading and it be closed down. So we made it all the way from Pismo Beach Campground to the Bob Jones bike path, which is pretty cool. Beautiful day. Got my little buddy Cooper on the bike with me. And my wife Carol is back there somewhere. Say hi, Carol.
Hi.
Hello. And there's lots of water in the creek from those recent storms we had. Man, it came down like crazy here. Beautiful day. Well, we made it to the Avila Beach Golf Course Bridge, I guess you'd call it. And we're gonna turn around and go back to our campsite just to make sure we got battery, because I don't want to be pedaling this thing with Cooper on it without juice. So anyway, gorgeous day. Bob Jones bike path. This is kind of what we're seeing.
So yeah, she's gonna play the flute.
Oh hey, look, that's Carol.
Let's see. So we went from Pismo's Coast Village down to Grover Beach and then turned around and came down here to Avila.
How many
Good ride.
miles, I wonder?
Well, it's 11 miles, so it'll be 22 miles all around.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
pretty good. So, beautiful day. Heading back. So, yes, we're at Pismo camping. Beautiful. This is just minutes from our campsite. Pretty cool. It's supposed to be a rocket launch coming up pretty soon. We're gonna see if we can catch it. It's supposed to be right over in that area. Woo! We made it in the driveway without crashing or anything else, and we are home safe. Praise the Lord. Pismo was awesome. So we will be back again. Great campsite. If you have not watched our channel before and you like what you're seeing, please subscribe. Give us a good liking, and we will talk to you later. Take care. Bye for now.